Hey you guys, what's up? How's everybody? If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos. Welcome to my channel. Well, today we are creating this super glam, very shimmery look. I totally love this look and I cannot wait to show you guys how I created this look. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. And also please, if you enjoy watching me, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. And yeah, and also this week I have posted such an amazing makeup IGTV on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, please follow me on Instagram. I will put my handle on the screen somewhere and it is always in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, let's get started. I have already moisturized my face and lips, so I am jumping straight into the primer, and I am using Vitamin Glow from Smashbox. This has creme based formula and very lightweight. It hydrates and smoothens my skin so well. Now for foundation, I am mixing two of my favorite foundations of all time, Maybelline Fit Me and Nykaa Skin Genius. I'm taking both of them on the back of my hand and dotting all over my face. I am then blending this foundation with a damp beauty sponge. For concealer, I am using LA Pro Conceal. I am putting it under my eyes, around my mouth, little bit around my nose and on forehead also. So basically these are the areas which are little darker than rest of my face. And that's my funny face. That's how you look when you put concealer. To set this creamy base, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and with the help of this brush from Lakara, I'm just setting the places where I used concealer. Now for brows. Now for filling my brows, I am using just this product. This is Eyebrow Cake from Miss Claire. This is so good, so inexpensive and a beautiful product. We are moving on to eye makeup now. I am taking Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette and using this light brown color as my transition shade. I'm just lightly applying it on the crease of my eyes. Then I'm taking this dark brown color from Makeup Revolution Sofix palette, and basically I'm putting it under the first color that I used and also concentrating it on my outer V. In the star of today's look, this beautiful berry shimmer shade from the same palette. I'm taking it on my finger and applying on the lids. I'm taking my blending brush again and making sure the matte and shimmer colors are all buffed up and smooth. Now you can stop here, but I really want to smoke out my eyes. I took this deep brown shade and using very small brush and very carefully I'm just placing it in my outer V and blending it slightly. Now we are moving to the eyeliner, and I am creating a small wing using this Chambord eyeliner in black. I'm taking a black kajal and applying it on my lower lids and then smudging this kajal with the chocolate brown color from the Makeup Revolution palette, and later on I am blending everything using the transition shade. Now I'll quickly curl up my lashes and put some mascara. I am using Maybelline Lash Sensational. I will be applying falsies, but it is always a good idea to curl and put some mascara on your original lashes. After using all the base products, your face looks so flat and there is no warmth on it. So basically bronzer just brings back some of its warmth and energy back to the face, and face looks much more natural and structured. Basically, bronzer brings life to the face. That's the best way to define what a bronzer does. Now I'm taking this Color Bar blush. I just love the texture of this blush. It feels so velvety, so smooth. As I was filming in natural light, you cannot actually see the amount of blush I applied, but I really cannot control myself from applying blush and highlighter. These are the two products that I just can go overboard very easily. And now I'm just taking this highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and with the help of small brush I am using some of it on inner corners of my eyes, and that's my little happy dance. That's how I feel when I'm taking the highlighter on my brush. The kid in me just feels so happy. All the high points of my face with this highlighter, like my cheekbones, my brow bone, bridge and tip of my nose, cupid bow, and center part of my forehead. I'm just taking the same beauty blender again and just patting that highlighter in my skin. This way the highlighter looks more blended and melted into the skin, and it doesn't look very chalky. As we have bold eyes today, I am going for a nude lipstick, and to line my lips I'm using this lip liner from Maybelline. This is not best of the lip liners. This is not pigmented and breaks very easily, but this is the color that matches with my lipstick. And for lipstick I'm using this soft lip cream from Miss Claire. I'll mention the shade number in the description box. Now, to melt all of that makeup into our skin very nicely, I'm using the setting spray from L'Oreal. It will also lock my makeup in place for long. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. So that's it for today. I will see you super soon in my next video.